So now we have it removed from the box, and this thing actually splits open, and there are screws. So let me just get this open for you. I'm just gonna put my thumbnail, whatever. I'm gonna have to do this with the camera off because I can't do it with one hand. So we have it off. It's pretty easy to take it apart. Just got to be gentle. You don't want to break it. And you'll notice that it has 4 little screws. They are gonna go in the same place as the screws that we've removed. You just want to notice that these are Phillips, so you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to get them in place. So we're just going to screw these guys in place. You want to be gentle, don't want to break anything. And you just want to kind of flush with the wall. Okay. I'm going to take the camera off for a second. All right, so there was just a little something behind the plate, just a little bit of excess drywall behind there, which I just kind of knocked out. So it's pretty smooth against the wall. And once it's on the wall, you just press on the new one. So these little slots go into those little slots. Just clicks into place. And that's pretty much it. So now we have a fancy switch plate. Look at that.